Assalamualaikum dear audience, so it's me Rana Binta Habib and I'm from the famous and well-known ELCBD English Language Center Bangladesh. I'm part of the cool batch K80123 and today I'm going to talk about mobile. So let's get started. Mobile phone is a small device. It got invented in 1973. The inventor of mobile phone is Martin Cooper. In mobile, we can talk with our relatives or friends by using mobile call or messages. In mobile, we can also play games or watch videos and listen to news by using internet. In mobile, we can study and check the time. Mobile phone also have some disadvantages, like it can affect our eyesight and make us lazy. There are many companies who makes mobile like Samsung, Galaxy, Apple, etc.